Hi viewers, we are going to learn the hack driver lesson today, written by Sinclair Lewis. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1930. He was born on 7th February 1885 in the USA. He was very famous for his vigorous and graphic art of description and his ability to create, with wit and humor, new types of characters. He died on 10th January 1951 in Italy. The story Hack Driver is all about a young lawyer who's too innocent. He goes to a village to serve summon to a person called Lutkins. At the railway station, he meets a person who identifies himself as Bill. Bill appears to know everyone in the entire village and promises to search Lutkins for the lawyer. He takes the lawyer for a ride and dupes him of lots of money. But after a 6 hour long search, they do not find Lutkins. Next day, when the lawyer goes to the village with one of his colleagues, he discovers that it was Lutkins who posed as Bill on the previous day. Everyone except the lawyer have a hearty laugh at the predicament of the lawyer. The lawyer was a fresh graduate from a university. He got a job as a junior assistant clerk in a law company. His duty was to serve the summons. He did not like his job. He liked only simple, honest, and friendly people. He loved natural beauty. He liked the village New Mullion and its people very much. He was a simple hearted man. He was easily taken for a ride by the hack driver, but he was a man of self respect. Lutkins is a resident of New Million village and he is a witness in a law case. He is a clever and cunning man as he easily takes the lawyer into confidence and shows him all around the town with a fake intention of helping him finding Oliver Lutkins. He is a middle-aged man, very friendly hack driver. The story Hack Driver focuses on a driver called Bill by name. The author of the story was an American novelist, Sinclair Lewis. This is an amusing tale about a young lawyer who is innocent. He goes to a village to serve someone to a person called Oliver Lutkins. At the railway station, he meets a person who introduced himself as Bill. Bill told that he knew everybody in the village and he promises to search Lutkins for the lawyer. He takes the lawyer and visits lots of places and takes a lot of money from him. But after a long search, they could not find Lutkins at all. Next day, when the lawyer goes to the village with one of his colleagues, he came to know that the hack driver himself was Lutkins. Everyone except the lawyer was laughing at him and he felt ashamed of himself. Viewers, now let's have the story in detail. The lawyer, after completing his graduation in law, started working with a famous firm in the city. He was working as an assistant clerk there. He did not like the job of serving summons because sometimes he had to face harsh situations. One day, he had to give summon to Oliver Lutkins, who was a key witness in some case. He lived in a small village called New Million. He was happy to go to the village, but the village looked very dull and lifeless. The narrator saw a hack driver on a platform that was cheerful. He inquired him about Lutkins and came to know that he was a shrewd man and taken a loan from many people. The hack driver cunningly extracted from lawyer that he has come here to give a court summons to Lutkin. The lawyer decided to rent Bill's hack and search for Lutkins. Bill manipulated the lawyer and made him visit different places in search of Lutkins. He always goes ahead and inquires about Lutkins. They went to Frisk's shop to catch Lutkins where he plays poker. They have been told that he has gone to a barber shop for shaving. Later, At the saloon, they could not meet him, and somebody told them they saw him in the pool room. They could not find him there too, and told he left the pool room a while ago. In the afternoon, Bill asked the lawyer to buy food from his wife as it would be less costlier than a restaurant. They had their lunch at a hill, which is a beautiful place. By now, the lawyer was fully convinced that Bill is a generous and helpful person. He even started comparing city people and villagers. Later, they went to Lutkin's mother's house, but she was a very horrible lady and she was nearly close to attacking them with a hot iron rod on hearing about the summon to Lutkin's. At last, the lawyer has to leave without serving summon to Lutkins. He was badly scolded by his chief the next day and was sent again to the New Million village with a colleague who knew Lutkins. On reaching station, the lawyer happily acknowledged that Bill was such a helpful person to him in searching Lutkins. At this point, he was told by his colleague that the hack driver was none other than Oliver Lutkins. The lawyer felt ashamed of himself. The narrator completed his graduation in law and joined a big firm as a junior assistant clerk. He was given the dirty and dangerous job of serving summons. He gets an opportunity to go to a village to serve summon. A helpful hack driver at the station offers to him in his cart and find Lutkins. The driver takes him to all the places where Lutkins could be found but fails to locate him. He shows him the village and describes the country life. They don't find Lutkins, but the lawyer is very happy to find such a friendly and helpful man. They visit Lutkins' home and meet his mother, who frightens them away. The lawyer ends up paying 6 hours of money to the hack driver. He returns to the city. His chief gets angry at his failure to find Lutkins. The chief sends the lawyer back to the village the next day with a man who knows Lutkins. The lawyer shows him the helpful hack driver. His companion tells him that the helpful hack driver was Oliver Lutkins. The lawyer feels embarrassed and unhappy when he serves summons to a laughing Oliver Lutkins. Hi viewers, the story teaches us that we should not trust anyone without knowing them. Otherwise, people will make fool of us. We need to be alert all the time.